then theta is equal to 3 pi by 4, then theta is equal to pi, then theta is equal to 5 pi by 4, then theta is equal to 3 pi by 2, and the last one is 7 pi by 4. Correct? Then for here is 0, then here is a, then again this is 0, and this is again a, then again 0, this is again a, and this is again a, right? So just join this. So this is a circle with radius a. Right? And what is the starting point in this case? The starting point is nothing but pi by 2 divided by n. Pi by 2 divided by n, n is 2. So pi by 2 divided by 2 is nothing but pi by 4. So first loop is here. Correct? Then what about the second loop? Note that n is even. So draw loops in two sectors consecutively from 0 to 2 pi. And since theta is n is we are drawing for a into sine n theta, so starting point is pi by 2 by n. N is 2, so starting point is pi by 4. And consecutive sectors we need here. This is the first sector, then the next consecutive sector is here. So I'm going to draw it like this. The next consecutive sector, so draw it like this. Then next consecutive sectors, draw it like this. Okay, whatever appears in the one sector, the same portion should appear in the next sector. So you need to draw it like this, right? Then what about tangent? When theta is 0, tangent is coincident, and then at pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, tangents are coincident, and at pi by 4 it is perpendicular, so it should be like this. Then at 3 pi by 4 it is perpendicular, so it should be like this. Then at 5 pi by 4 this is perpendicular, so it should be like this. And at 7 pi by 4 it is perpendicular, so it should be like this. So there are 4 tangents. So this is the required curve. Okay, just see where it is perpendicular at pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. So at this point I am getting perpendicular, and otherwise it is coincident. Coincident meaning these are tangent, right? Similarly, in the previous case also I can draw the tangent. In the previous case the curve is like this, where it is perpendicular at 0 it is perpendicular, then at pi by 3 it is perpendicular, at 0 this is perpendicular, so it should be like this. Pi by 3 no petal, so no need to draw. Then at 4 pi by 6, so it should be like this. Then at 8 pi by 6, so here it should be like this. And then at 10 pi by 6, so there is no point, so no need to draw. So tangents are like this, and elsewhere they are coincident. You can check. So this is with the examples.